image representation on screen. So basically, the pixel is arranged in the form of rows and columns on the computer picture area. So the number of pixel of the image is a function of size of that particular image. Means how many pixel is represent or used in the particular picture to display the image. So with the help of this, we can easily recognize the resolution of the picture, or we can define the quality of the picture. So the number of pixel in the particular image is a function of the size of the image and the number of pixel per unit length. So how many number of pixel are used in particular inches? So it is in the form of vertical and horizontal. So if we consider there is a screen through which we have to represent the number of pixels, this is the vertical and horizontal part and the single intersection point or the single point on the screen called as a pixel. So when we display the particular image, if we want to display the square, so we can use that every pixel on the screen and we can connect that single pixel or two pixel with the help of line segment, and then we have to form the single image on the screen. So this is the zeroth coordinate of the screen. We can represent the screen. This is in the x direction and this is in the y direction. So whenever we start with the 0 and 0, if we having the parameter, for example, if you want to draw the line P1 to P2, P1 having the parameter 10, 10 and P2 having the parameter 10 and 30. So here is the points through which we have to prepare the line, which is called as a P1 to P2. This is the zeroth coordinate. This is 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. So P1 having two coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. X having the value is 10. So we can consider this point, and y having 10. So this is the P1 point. Next, P2 having two coordinates 10 and 30. 10 means x and 30 means y. So x having 10 and y is equal to 30. So this is the next pixel, which is called as P2. We two pixel on the screen. Then we have to connect that two pixel with the help of line segment. This is the working of computer screen to represent the graphics. This is the basic example through which we have to prepare or display the image on the computer screen. Then with the help of this, we have to prepare the another example if you want to display the triangle which having 3 points. For example, P1, P2, P3. If you want to display the P1, P1 having the point is suppose 20, 30, then 10, 15, here 30, 40. If you want to display this triangle on the computer screen, then we have to follow. If first we have to take P1, which having the two coordinates 20 and 30, 20 and y is 30. This is the first point, which is called as a P1. Next point is 10 and 40. 10 and suppose here we have to represent 40. 10 and 40. This is P2. Next one is P3 is 30 and 40. This is the P3. Then we have to connect that particular point or the pixel with the help of line segment, and then the triangle is displayed on the screen. This is the example how the particular object is displayed on the computer screen with the help of computer graphics. Example.